TV once again, and today I'll be sharing to you my birthday photo shoot vlog last year, no? Napanos na ni siya, girl, but anyway, so looks so beautiful there. And it was kind of unfortunate, no, kay nga no, nag-run out pa jud on the day sa ako ang shoot, and nag-abi may di malahos, hindi pwede di malahos, sir, kay nga no, nakabayan no, kaning makeup artist na ako, dire, oh. So, dapat malahos yun ni Koya, di ba, day?
Wala siya. After how many delay and everything, this is it.
I don't usually celebrate my birthday, no? Kay pila na nakaadlaw, pista na sa muaw niya. Alangan magaduha ka magpatumbag babay, anak ko, kalas na kwarta. But last year, I decided to do something for myself, that is to have a photo shoot here at Think Lab Studios. Kaya wala. Ganahan ako maka-experience ng picture if mag-birthday. Para sa akong kaila before nung, if mag-debut ay nako, gwapa kayo sila mga pictures.
Pero kung tag-ihan o kwanda, tulog ka hektarya. Saan ako mga bodyguard dito? Absent man. Sinapas mo man siya, mama. Nagtagay gabi, iwa ka ulit. Kasi siya magliho. Yan. Saan to ako mga secretary? Mga secretary!
So after mag-retouch na mahingog mo, we finally started the photo shoot. But I'm not sure why nga no, bakit naghinuktok ko diha, no? Siguro kaya nakikinadihan tayo mga nagkagorda dyan ko. Pero sige lang na importante is guwa pag cute gihapon ko. Charot lang. Also, what I love about Think Lab Studio is that the owner is very accommodating. This is him teaching us the basics of how to operate the camera and offer to play music so that we can really feel the vibe.
Do you have a specific music you want me to play?
Sabrina Carpenter.
Sabrina Carpenter.
Jesus, kung mariosep ni mo, day. Ay, naku, abot na lang ni mo, eh. And so, we finally started. O, diba? O, naglibog pa na siya unsay forma niya nun. Diha, so, na pinatungko-tungko din. Hawa na siya magkanimaw din na, ay, ambot na lang ni mo, day. Nakarealize ko ba nga, lisod man din ni mamahim artista, no? Dapat ka mao ka mupusing tayo, no? Para ready ka sa camera, may ganino. Kaya namidang ko di guni, hindi, di nga masundan. Wala pa, hay na ko, mahurot mong time. Dire, sige, hunahuna, unsinindot kang pusing.
Oh, yes.
So, after nakikita sa nindot nga picture, nagiganahan na si Inday. So, daghan na siya mga pusing-pusing mo siya. Naruto ring napita na pa-ATL nga pinalupad-lupad. Ahoy! Yan sa na lang yun sa manang pormahan na imo pusing. Dahil imo managpalupad imo TL. So, dapat yung mga formal, of course. Kanya, kadindot man ang kuha dito tanawa ang reaction ni Inday. Ay, paks! Namatid ka na. Ay, nako. Ambot lang mo na, but there's a certain kind of feeling when you're able to pose in front of a camera and it turns out to be great. It doesn't just boost your confidence, it also makes you feel proud and happy. O, diba? Sobrang na po ka-happy dihang dapita, day. Ay, nako, no? But of course, since multi-purpose man itong photoshoot, we had to make sure that we have some serious pose as well. Na para bang CEO tayo ng sari-sari store na may mga pa-smile-smile pa dyan, o, diba? O, yan, o, diba? Parang ano talaga tagapagmana ng DJP pa sari-sari store. And of course, may pa-bra-bra din tayo, no? Yes po, guys. Ready na po tayo sa mature roles. Ay, nako.
Balik. Ay, liho ka.
Honestly, during this time, I was not sure if I'm making the right decision. No, kana ipakita na akong braw, akong bilbilin. No, kay lagi, girl, wala yung pegatong diet. Ay, nako. And I've always been awkward as to how I dress. And as much as possible before, I try to hide this bellies, no? But for the first time last year, I finally took the courage to show them off. Like, girl, medyo dagan-dagan ang nakaong bahaw o gasong may ana, no? Para budakod-akod asiya. Ay, nako.
Correct ka dyan.
And of course, I'm also thankful with my makeup artist na si Inday Cake. Maayo kayo mo hype mo na ganahan sa tapos pushing dito. Ay, nako, thank you, Day. And these are the results. I really love it. Thank you so much, Inday Cake, and Think Lab Studios for making this happen. Thank you so much, Barbilats, and also ICBW5 for celebrating my birthday with me last year. Last year was filled with so many firsts, and I'm hoping that this year brings even more courage and growth as I turn 29. Thank you everyone for being part of my life and for being such a blessing to me. I hope to see more of you as I continue to grow. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!